Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to deactivate Messenger permanently. First, you have to launch your Facebook application and then tap these three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down till you see settings and privacy. Tap this one. Now you have to click settings. After that, you have to scroll down and tap this account center. Click this one and then scroll down, tap this personal details. Now, once done, you have to click this account ownership and control. Tap the activation or deletion and then click your account. Here you have to tap the activate account and then click continue. Then type or enter your password. Okay, make sure that this one is correct. And then after that, you can now proceed. That is to make sure that you're using your own application or account. Here, you just have to look for the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Everything is up to you. And then after that, you just have to click continue. Okay, so for example, um, I have another Facebook account. And then here, all you have to do is simply read the instruction and then click deactivate my account. Now, if you go to Messenger, okay, to delete Messenger account, you just have to open your Messenger, tap this three lines, click settings or this gear icon here. Now you have to scroll down and then click this account center. Okay, accounts center here, tap this one. And then what you're going to do is tap personal details. Okay, same thing. And then click account ownership and control, tap the activation, and then tap your account. Then tap the activate account and then click continue. Enter your password, click continue. Okay, tap the reason why you want to deactivate, click continue, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to deactivate Messenger permanently. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.